around the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English discussion with Smart Up Your Life. With me, Adelia Nabila, as a host today. And also, I have several friends in here from BPEC. Hi.
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 Adele.
How are you?
Fine. Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, because this is a collaboration with Smart FM, please tell us with Smart Listener what is BPEC.
Okay, probably
Gotcha.
me as a represent. So actually, hello smart listener. We are from BPC Makassar or Benteng Panynyua English Club Makassar, right? And this is the oldest community in Makassar focusing learn about English. And actually, we always conduct in every Sunday. Actually, we meet in Benteng Panynyua, Benteng Rotterdam, but because Corona already exists, that is why we moved to the multimedia in front of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. And exactly it is free, guys. You can invite your family, your friend, or boyfriend also join with us in weekly meeting BPC. And okay, there are several items in BPCs. The number one, we have who am I, and you can introduce yourself. Number two, we have as breaking. We will play a game related with English. And number three, actually we have D&D debating and discussion, right?
Yes.
And after that we will discuss, and after that we will debate. And number four, we have building skill. We will learn about grammar, right? Like pronunciation, part of speech, and so on and so forth. And the next is entertainment. You can show your ability like singing or poetry, and so on and so forth. And the last is announcement. You can gain a lot of information in this activity because the participant or committee will give you like information, for example, scholarship and so on and so forth. I think that's all for the BPC itself. Thank you.
All right, and
Yeah.
actually totally free, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
free.
so for smart listener want to come in BPC, where the place BPC?
Yeah, multimedia in front of
Okay.
Muhammadiyah University,
Just
right?
just come in multimedia. Yes, in front of Muhammadiyah University. All right. Okay. And then for smart listener, today the topic is music is universal language. Yes. Okay. And also for the smart listener want to join tonight, just tell us on WhatsApp 0811461011 or comment in YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Okay, we'll back in topic today about music is universal language. Okay, I want to ask from Sam. Okay, could you first? I forget. Could you introduce yourself
Oh, yeah,
first?
Okay, first I would like to introduce myself. Hello, Smart FM listener. I am Samantha, as a new member of BPC. And yeah, so
Okay.
what else?
The next one.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening. I'm Mala, and I live in Kakatua, nearby. So Smart FM nearby my home. That's
Hi,
it. And I'm
Mrs.
still
Mala.
single.
Oh, you're still single?
Also too.
In my left side, from the beautiful one.
Okay, thank you so much. Hello, smart listener. My name is Butmainatu Safia. I'm from State University of Makassar, or people will know it as Universitas Negeri Makassar, and I'm a newbie in BPEC.
Okay. The only one handsome in here.
Okay, hello smart listener. My name is Achang. Yeah, exactly. You can call me Achang. Yeah, I'm as a committee in BPC. Thank you.
Oh, the bright and shiny tonight.
For always, yeah. Hi, I'm Dewi, full-time mother, wonderful wife.
Hi, Mrs. Devi.
Hi. I feel great today.
Yes. This is the topic tonight about music is universal language. Okay, I want to ask from Mrs. Sam. What do you think how important in your daily life about music, especially for universal language?
Oh, for me, music is like quite important for me because it will like the way or the communication of me. For example, like when I am feeling sad, I will be like listening to
When you're
a sad
sadness?
music.
Okay.
Yes, or I'm feeling like happy. I will like vibe with music that I like want to listen because I have like music list in Spotify. I have my own playlist. So yeah, whatever happens, it will be like my mood booster.
Your mood booster.
For
Okay.
for doing the activity, basic thing.
Okay. So, Mrs. Sam said that music is mood booster for you. Yes. This is how to send your language by music. Okay. How about Mrs. Mala? How important music, especially in your daily life, about universal language music?
Before I talk about music, I wanna tell you that I'm still single, so you don't need to call me Mrs. Okay.
How can I call you?
Miss.
Miss. Okay. Okay, start from now, Miss.
Okay. Talk about music. I remember when somebody sent me some of his favorite songs, especially Hindi or Punjabi language.
You like Hindi music?
Actually, not really. But he sent me, but I didn't know the meaning. But he tell me the point, but and it's so romantic. So
Yes.
if same said, it's what you say before as your mood booster, but actually when we talk about music, some people they make it for their mood booster, but me, it can make me happy also. But sometimes the one and only can make me happy when I'm going somewhere or buy something that I want to really have it. Music also. That's it.
This is your habit for the music? Yes. Okay, well, Miss Mala, Hindi music you like?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
Okay. Back to Miss Inna. Okay, how about you, Mrs. Inna?
For in my opinion, all of the country or even city, I think every country or city has their own culture, especially in music. So in my own village, there is a tradition that related to music, where people when they finish their study of Al-Quran, or maybe they finish 30 years of Al-Quran, they will play tambourine. And it's just like to tell people that they are actually just finished their study of Al-Quran. They just finished their study of how to read Al-Quran. So I think we back to our theme that music is universal language. So language is mean communicate.
Yes.
Language is the way of we communicate to each other. So for some musician, I think that's the way of them how to express their own feelings. Just like Kak Sam, who enjoy to listen the music, who listen to songs that it will relate it to her emotions. So we as the listener, when we heard about or we listen to music that made by the musicians, we can even tell from their own music that, oh, this song is actually is a sad song. So it's from me that, and it's also make me feel relaxed.